Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burrito mix. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, your favorite spices, and some fresh aromatics like onions and garlic. Make sure you have a sturdy skillet and a few mixing bowls on hand. Getting everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Start by browning your ground meat in the skillet over medium heat. Once it's fully cooked, drain off any excess fat to keep your mix from being greasy. Then, add your diced onions and minced garlic to the pan, sautéing them until they become fragrant and translucent. This step builds a delicious aromatic foundation for your burrito mix. With your meat and aromatics ready, it's time to infuse some serious flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. These spices are key to that classic burrito taste. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of water or chicken broth. This liquid helps the spices bloom and creates a rich, cohesive sauce for your mix. Finally, bring your burrito mix to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken. Once it reaches your desired consistency, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. This mix is perfect for tacos, burritos, or even as a hearty bowl. And for more great deals, including a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade burrito mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.